let's start. Firstly, Cora. Cora is the Irish for conversation. Cora. And in that Cora, you're probably going to be talking about your anam, which is name, and ish, age. Anam and ish. You'll be using your voice. So 2 words for voice is go or glor. Go or glor. When you're talking or using your voice, you're going to be using your mouth. So bail is the Irish for mouth. Bail. Speaking and talking is next. So speaking is eglauert, and talking kighn't. Hopefully when you're in a chorale, you're going to be doing some listening as well. Ag éisteacht is listening. Ag éisteacht. And when you're listening, you're going to be using these clues.